The Viano has been on Germany's roads for years now. Today, for a change, it is visiting the workshop. The panoramic sliding sunroof and tilting sliding roof have to be removed. First, let's take a look at the operation of the emergency release. If the electric motor of the tilting sliding roof fails, the roof can be opened manually. Unclip the left lamp cover in the overhead control panel. The plastic catch is now accessible. Press it in using the release key. The gearing on the motor can now be moved manually by turning. Turn the key counterclockwise to open the roof. And of course, the roof can also be closed again. Simply turn the key clockwise. The release key is included in the vehicle toolkit. The panoramic sliding sunroof on the Viano can also be released manually in an emergency. To do this, remove the mirror trim. Then, detach the electrical connector for the operating unit. Use the release key to press in the plastic catch. The panoramic sliding sunroof can now be opened and closed manually.